friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. We're in black and white right now because it is a palette bingo. I have been wanting to do a Summerween themed palette bingo for probably the last month, and today is finally that day, which honestly I'm glad I kind of procrastinated because one of the choices for this video was a more recent release, and I think it fit in perfectly with this. Very excited for you to see how this turned out. It was definitely not what I expected, but I had a lot of fun with it. So without further ado, let's just hop on in and do some palette bingoing. Okay, let's get into this bingo. I have 3 palettes here that scream Summerween vibes, and I'm very excited to pair them together. First up, we have the Boo Drops Part 3 from Diveroon, just like a perfect little spooky, iridescent, Halloween-y topper palette. Of course, we have the Summerween from Gourmande Girls. This was just obvious choice for this video, just like perfect, bright, fun, spooky, but still summery vibes. And the newest addition into my collection, the Sun palette from Cosmic Beauty. As soon as I got this package and opened it up, I was like, this screams Summerween to me. The bright pink, the bright orange, the splashes of purple. I feel like this is Summerween in a nutshell. So I figured pairing all 3 of these together would be a lot of fun. I am going to be randomly generating 2 shades from each palette, making it 6 shades total, and then I'll be creating a look with those shades. I am here on palettebingo.com. I've already preset all of my palettes. So I have the Boo Drops here, have it custom 2x3, 2 shades. Summerween, I have it custom set 2x7 with 2 shades. And the Sun palette, custom 5x4, also picking 2 shades. So we are gonna spin it and see which shades we get. So yeah, we have our little palettes here. Let's give it a spin, shall we? See what shades we get. Obviously, I knew for a fact we'd get shimmers for this, but I'm really hoping we get some good mattes. Oh, we have our selections. Let's see what they are. So in the Boo Drops palette, we got 1 and 5. So we got Ah and Swoosh. I guess I'm swatching with my non-dominant hand. I don't know why I did that. Ah and Swoosh. I'm liking that we got kind of the purpley shifty one and then kind of the silvery greenish one. I feel like we have good potential there, good Summerween potential. And then in the Summerween palette, we got the shade Summerween, number 6. Then we also got number 10, Poolside Panic. Got that really pretty split panny marbled shade and then this bright blue matte. And then lastly, in the Sun palette, we got number 4, Comfort, and we got number 9, Energy. I feel like it's been a long time since I've gotten a true 3 shimmer, 3 matte situation. I think this is actually quite cute. I think this is quite a cute little combo. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but I don't feel like this is too much of a struggle. I love the blue and yellow together. I think a bright blue and a bright yellow together are so fun. I feel like what I'm leaning toward are the blues heavily in the outer corner, probably the yellow in the front portion of like the lid crease, and then on the lids, I'll probably have this darker purple shimmer leading into that first one. And then I'll use this greenish shade for the inner corner highlight. I think that sounds like a plan. I'm gonna gather my brushes and we will get going. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Lethal White Eyeshadow Primer. I'm just gonna blend that out and we will start going crazy with some shadows. I am actually a little shocked that we didn't get like a true orange amidst all of these palettes. I felt like that was gonna be a given. But alas, the palette bingo gods were like, let me give her something a little unexpected. So I'm gonna go in first with that Poolside Panic shade from the Summerween palette. I'm gonna use this old S3 brush from Kaleidos. It's kind of like a tapered blending brush. And I'm gonna use that to pack on the outer half of my lid and kind of start forming a little bit of a wingy shape in the outer corner. Tuck some of that on that lower lash line as well. And just kind of make sure those are all flowing together and creating a little bit of a slightly angled shape. It's obviously not very like sharp, and I don't know if I necessarily need it to be pointy, but I'll be using the lighter blue to help kind of diffuse and perfect that shape. But that's kind of the starting point. I love how vibrant that blue is. Now going into the Sun palette, I'm gonna take the Content shade to start blending that out. I'm gonna use this little Blend Bunny B1 brush, just like a small, teeny little blending brush, because I wanna stay fairly precise with this, keeping this just to the edges of that brighter blue. Honestly, the fact that there really aren't that many blues throughout these 3 palettes and I grabbed 2 blues in this bingo is kind of surprising. Yeah, just kind of lightly blending at those edges. I'm using that to kind of, you know, stretch that out a little bit more, kind of enhance that shape a little bit. Sticking in that Cosmic Beauty palette, I'm gonna take Energy now. Using this E04 brush from Singe, I'm just gonna start packing that kind of on this front little portion of my lid, and I kind of want to blend that into the crease a little bit, just so that a little splash of yellow kind of peeks through beyond my shimmers that I lay down. That combination of a bright blue and a yellow like this, I think it's so cute. I'm gonna prep with my Dede Signature Shimmer Primer before we move into the shimmers. I'm just gonna add a little dollop to my lids and blend it out. This is just gonna help my shimmers pop to their fullest potential and stay put nicely. So I'm gonna go in with that Summerween Split Panty shade first. I'm just gonna swirl it all together so it's just one magical shade. And that is gonna go on the outer half to kind of blend in with my blue. Ooh, that's fun. That is really, really fun. Just kind of lightly smudging the edges. I'll use a brush to blend it more, but just kind of getting that basis started. Just kind of lightly blending the edge of that shimmer into the blue. That is flowing so nice. I feel like this color combination is definitely not what I expected this bingo to turn into, but I'm really liking it. And finally, moving into my Boo Drops Part 3. I'm gonna take that ash shade first to finish on the front portion of my lid. This is gonna kind of blend into that yellow and also blend into that darker shimmer that I have laid down. Ooh, that's so fun. That looks really, really pretty against that yellow, actually. Not that I'm surprised. I mean, I made that decision for a reason, but I just like seeing it all come together. And then I'm gonna take that swoosh shade for the inner corner. I feel like that'll be a fun little pop. Yeah, I like that. I almost feel like that silvery greenness kind of adds to the bluiness, but I feel like there's also a little flash of that gold in there too. So it kind of complements the yellow. I think that works out pretty well. Threw on my mascara and I also threw in my eye pencil. This is Miss Matrix from Kaleidos. I figured let's just lean into the blue. For lips, I'm kind of just feeling a nude. I know that's kind of boring, but I just feel like I want the eyes to do all the talking, so let's just do something kind of simple. I'm gonna start with the Cinnamon Pencil from Melt. It's just kind of like a warmer, nudie shade, and I thought that would kind of complement the warmth that's happening on the front part of the lids. I do think that's a pretty perfect shade for this, honestly. And then over that, I'm gonna take this Kaleidos Lip Melt in the shade Lunar Token. So it has kind of like a pinky, silvery bluiness to it that I thought would go with the eyes nicely in like a subtle way. Just a little something something, you know, letting the eyes kind of speak for themselves. Thank you so much for watching. This was just such a blast. I had a great time playing with these palettes. I think the look came out really cool. I don't know if it's like in your face Summerween, the way with like classic Halloween-y colors, but I feel like it's almost giving like, you know, carnival sort of energy, which I feel like fits in with Summerween vibes. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you drew these shades randomly, would you have done something similar? Would you have done something totally different? I would love to know. I can't believe that we are inching closer and closer to actual spooky season. If you know me, August 1st is Halloween 1st, so I believe this video is going up at the very tail end of July. So it's kind of the perfect way to close out Summerween and start entering into Halloween season, and I am so excited. If you made it to the end of this video, leave some Summerween themed emojis, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. If you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram, and you can also subscribe if you want to see more videos. You can also check my description box for links to my second channel if you want additional content, and also my channel memberships. There's a couple different tiers with a couple different perks, and I'd love to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.